Whether you're a veteran blogger, just getting your feet wet, or avoiding blogging like the plague, if you're not using Blogology for your blogging business, you're leaving money on the table. If you're a veteran blogger, you know how time-consuming and tedious it can be to create high-quality content, optimize it for SEO, and keep up with the latest trends. But with Blogology, you can automate blog generation, detect AI script, and ensure ADA compliance with just a few clicks. If you're just starting out, blogging can seem like a daunting task. But with Blogology, you can quickly and easily create professional-looking blogs that attract and engage your audience. Plus, our affiliate marketing plugin helps you monetize your blog from day one. And if you've been avoiding blogging because you think it's overrated or too time-consuming, think again. Blogology's automated features and AI script detection make it easy to create high-quality content that resonates with your audience and drives results. Plus, our conversation Autobot helps you engage with your readers and build a loyal following. With Blogology, you can automate blog generation and save hours of time. Detect AI script and ensure your content is high quality and engaging. Ensure ADA compliance with our easy-to-use widget. Monetize your blog with our affiliate marketing plugin. Engage with your audience and build a loyal following with our conversation Autobot. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your blog and create a consistent passive income? Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, Blogology is the ultimate tool to help you succeed. Click the link to get started today and take your blog to the next level.